All right, so now we're going to install the lower track of the Goodgate system. You can see this is loose. This is our simulated cab. You basically run the lower track right up against a slam post or just underneath it if you've got a cutout there, depending on how you constructed your carriage. To align it, we're going to install the panel number 1. You can see that there's numbers on each panel when you receive them. There's a 1 up at the top up here. So you shouldn't be able to have any problem figuring out which one is panel number 1. You install it into the lower track in that first groove. Push it across slightly. These roller wheels just have that little slot right in the middle of the upper track. Now you can see it runs fairly smoothly. We're going to grab a level. We're going to grab a level, and we're going to use that level on here just to try and line up that lower track so that it's nice and level. Now, if you built your car correctly, then this is going to be pretty straightforward because all you're going to do is basically butt it right up against the edge. But this is a good check because if it gets too far out of alignment, then it doesn't work very well. There is some misalignment allowed, and that looks pretty level to me. So now that we have that in the right spot, we can take some screws and screw this down bottom of the carriage. Now you can check level again here. I'm pretty happy with it, but if you really want to make sure, then you just check it before you put that second and third screw in. And that's the lower track installed.